How to uninstall or disable the YouTube app from your Android device. Here are some reasons why you would want to uninstall the YouTube app from your Android device. The YouTube app can consume a significant amount of battery power. It sometimes runs, processes, or refreshes content in the background. Disabling or deleting it can result in noticeably improved battery performance. Some users want to limit their screen time or avoid spending too much time on YouTube. So, deleting the app helps reduce temptation to watch videos. Removing or disabling YouTube can free storage space. It can reduce the load on the device's memory and processing power. This contributes to smoother overall phone performance. Here are the steps to delete the YouTube app from an Android phone. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Settings. From the list of apps, find and tap on YouTube. If the uninstall option is available, tap it to completely remove the app. If the uninstall option is not available because YouTube is a pre-installed system app, look for the disable option instead. Tap disable, then confirm to disable the app. This will remove YouTube from your home screen and app drawer and prevent it from running or updating, effectively deleting it from daily use. Repeat the steps above to enable the YouTube app. Take note of the following. Many Android phones ship with YouTube as a system app, so the full uninstall is often not possible without root access. Disabling the app is the safest way to remove YouTube from active use without affecting system stability. You can re-enable or reinstall YouTube at any time via the Google Play Store if needed. This procedure works across most modern Android devices. If you downloaded YouTube manually, in other words, it was not pre-installed, uninstalling directly is possible. Go ahead and give the steps a try to disable or uninstall the YouTube app.
Simply click the link below to learn more.